Every surface tells a story. Weiler Tiger Ceramic strip discs are engineered for the warriors of metal who accept nothing less than excellence. Designed for steel and stainless steel, it delivers what others can't: superior cleaning power that lasts. Seep-thick coatings and stubborn rust disappear effortlessly. Our ultra-flexible nylon fiber creates a wider footprint, providing unmatched removal rates while other discs come up short. Armed with self-sharpening ceramic grains, it doesn't just clean, it conquers, delivering flawless weld cleaning with superior results. Let your work tell the story of strength, precision, and excellence. Tiger Ceramic, where efficiency meets power.